नमस्कार, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, sportsmen, students, scholars, professionals and officials, ministers and doctors. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Today, really very nice time and place. I thank for your presence, for listening, knowledgeable, informative, instructive, directive words that are really valuable in our practical life for the public welfare. As doctor is the second form of God. The job of a doctor does not less than a God. If a doctor treats selflessly, freely, then the degree of a doctor is really beyond to reach. Doctor is a great social reformer, social worker who plays a great role in making public healthy and a healthy society, and the nation generally develops. It is found in about all the doctors, but especially for the particular organ, specialist doctor is required if he is to treat any particular point of the organ, then he is to play the role of a super specialist. Socially, mother cares his or her child, so mother is the word, the degree, the post of God in this materialistic world. On the other hand, spiritual master who has generated, produced, created motherhood, sisterhood, daughterhood, and doctorate or doctorship is really supreme, topest, highest. One spiritual master who has created, the universe or creation individually. Second spiritual master who has formed the creation visible means Guru. Thirdly, God who has created, appeared first on this earth in the form of honorable, respectable personality who is present in the form of spiritual congregation. So the degree or post of the spiritual master is providing the word leveled facilities to the needy, destitute, downtrodden people of the society. Not only patient but spiritual patients are also treated by that spiritual medicine which has been created by that spiritual master. Doctors accept that under 20 and 40 people become victim of the heart disease. Working of the heart and mind both are controlled by free flow of oxygen. When a person practice yoga and pranayama with meditation, he easily recovers from his illness, disease, sickness. Dead cells of the human heart, of the human body, by doing pranayama becomes activate. When our body takes the air, then it helps the lungs in getting the air in. Heart is the storehouse of our emotions, passions, feelings, sorrows, joys. All sudden changes affect our mind. A person who plays games, his stamina, endurance become stamina, endurance and tolerance power make him and give him muscle power to contain in it. Heart only knows and heartbeat of the healthy normally person is 72. Happy are those who serve the country, society and others selflessly. Every heartbeat generate different ideas in our mind. Doctors can judge the brain power by some scientific instruments. They can read the brain. They can count the heartbeat. But who is the controller of heartbeat? Who is the controller of mind? How much strength? How much energy? How much power he has? That is uncounted, judgeless, that cannot be judged. So ultimately, when patients are not treated properly, their mind, doctor's mind, their mind say enable to treat the patient, then God's power, supernatural power works there. It needs their humility only. Only our emotions, passions of the heart. If we pray for that patient, then patient is treated early, and doctor's status, post of doctor becomes more glorified. So the nature of doctor just equal to God. He is not less than the judge. He is the human judge. So there are so many institutions have started many programs to provide health and satisfaction. Heart diseases are operated by a cardiologist. It is said that heart is the seat of God. Head, heart and hand are the organs of our body. Body is the temple of God. Our senses externally help and report to understand the external changes, but heart becomes healthy only by healthy feelings, emotions and passions, which is operated by fresh air, by taking the air in and out from the lungs. It works more smoothly, except allopathy, which is very necessary in some accidental cases. According to naturopathy, 90% diseases are cured by the man himself. Naturopathy says doctor is inside and patient is also inside. So one kind of hospital is in the body, in the particular point of body itself recovers and heals. But in 10% cases, accidental cases and emergency cases, it requires the help of doctor. In other cases, naturopathy, physiotherapy and Ayurveda, even homeopathy are the most curable treatment of our irremediable diseases like cancer, diabetes, asthma, heart disease, kidney disease, constipation, acidity, rheumatitis, arthritis, means bone related disease, ophthalmologist means eye related problems, and ENT means ear, nose, throat related disease. Mental means brain hemorrhage kind of disease. Psycho means related to the conscious, subconscious and unconscious kind of problems are also treated by just pranayama, yogasana, dhyana. These are the natural therapies that helps free of cost from the nature. Only it requires time at home. Ayurveda provides permanent healing to our body organs. There is no side effect of this therapy. Our body and elated natural form, foods, crops, fruits, vegetables, clothes, shelters, production given by nature, vegetation like trees, plants, medicinal plants, and act from extract from flies. Bees also help us to recover and heal from serious diseases. तुलसी, गिलोय और पीपल का पत्ता help us in dengue. Naturally, गिलोय increases immunity power of our body. Gulab jal provides glow and healthy skin, eyes. Aloe vera extract and jelly both are useful for improving our digestion and skin. Hydrotherapy, amla